Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I am here with a little project that I tried out for my yard sale. I'm having a yard sale next weekend, and I made a little cozy area here inside this white foam cooler. Look at this, a cooler. You put ice in there and put water, soda, whatever. It's a mini one. So I thought it was great for a little setting, and I'll just try to sell it at my yard sale and see how it goes. On the top here I used one of those glittery Christmas ribbons, and I stuck it on the foam with the push pins. You see the push pins? So it won't come off. And then inside on the wall there, what I did was I took a placemat and I cut it to the size of the wall there, right? So now it has a nice gray background, and I took 2 earrings that were broken and I stuck them to the back with some push pins, so they look like nice decorative pieces on top of that fireplace, which is a fireplace. It's made out of plastic, and I really wasn't doing anything with it. Then on the floor here, which looks like a rug, that's just a sticker from the Dollar Tree. Then I added a table here. Now I have a whole bunch of these plastic looking tables that I bought in my trip to Puerto Rico, and I made a table out of it. Then I added a magnet, a green magnet there that matches with the green champagne bottle back there. So it looks like someone is eating. There's some food on there. And then here on the wall, that's a part of a note card. Very nice note cards that I had, and I used some ivory colored round push pins to keep it in place. On the other side, I have a picture there of a house, a mansion, and that's from a book. Then over here, I just have another handmade piece. That was a spool of thread right there, and a Halloween piece. I don't know, it's not anything in specific, but it's just a decorative piece in here. And there's a napkin ring over there, so that looks like a nice plant. And it looks very cozy in here, doesn't it? Well, let's see if at the yard sale anyone really looks at it and buys it. I'm not sure how much I'm going to price it, but I'll probably price it like $3. I just want to test it out and let somebody enjoy the miniatures. Alrighty, well, thank you for watching.